Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, after a very volatile night, the Australian dollar went straight for the target of 70.55 but fell short. After posting a low of 70.94, the market has rebounded roughly 70 points from where the New York closed. In light of the pattern, I still feel there is potential to the downside and therefore still looks towards 70.55 as a target and reassess from there. We may see a little bit of profit taking as previously seen, but nevertheless, anywhere from 70.55 or maybe around 70 due to the rebound in front of that level could see one more test and maybe another bounce. Looking at the euro, the call to the downside of 111 was achieved overnight with the target or the intraday low of 111.06 and rebounds about 90 points. With the bottom side reached now, and especially with the RSI oversold, we'll sit out for the moment and see how the market plays into today's session. In light of the pattern though, if we go to the broader picture, I still feel that the market will challenge back to the downside again probably into next week, as all eyes will be looking into March US Federal Reserve rate decision, which is expected to see a hike of around 25 or 50 basis points. Dollar yen didn't quite get down to the bottom side of its target, around 114.1020. Nevertheless, the market has rebounded in front of that level after posting an intraday low of 114.40. It is interesting to see how the strength came back very aggressively, as the safe haven demand actually wasn't strong for yen, as it looks like the market bowed very quickly due to gold falling around $100. Still, the market still, from the rebound, can reach up towards the target of 115.50 to 116 and reassess. Pound was also very aggressive overnight and crushed through the level of 134.60 after posting a low of 132.70. One of the biggest falls we've seen for sterling, and from the break of that support at 134.60 leaves me neutral in the short term. Sterling Kiwi still looks destined to reach or challenge the downside of the target holding around 198.70. I feel the market should find from around there or close to around 50 support, as we've seen from the break of this 4-month trend line. The bears have continued to weigh on the market, but getting to a point now where profit taking may emerge due to the oversold indicators. With gold, we can call this a blow-off top or a spinning top. In either way, the market to me is like a blow-off top, as it rallied and then collapsed $70 afterwards. The ADX is still overheating, and from a technical point, the RSI is breaking down. Now, the downside call was at 1,879, and that was reached but didn't break. So I'm still looking towards that level to support any bearish case. Until then, I'd rather remain neutral and see how the market plays into today. Like gold, also oil staged a blow-off top and nearly got close to $100 a barrel. Didn't quite get there, or did it get there? Let's have a look. It may have just touched. Well, 99.97 was the high. Nevertheless, the market sort of retreated from there, and at the present is that although the top side I've not had a call, I'm still expecting eventually to see a pullback. As you can see here, the market's getting very volatile and probably difficult to trade as well due to the whipsaw price action. Nevertheless, I feel the market may actually stage a small pullback now and see if the market was caught long from overnight. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me, but please look out for the intraday report and also the end of the day wrap.